All right, we're back to reassemble our Daniel Defense DDM4 PDW AR-15 style pistol. That's a 7-inch barrel, and we just took it apart to clean, and now we're going to put it back together. Start with the bolt, of course, into the bolt carrier. It slides in pretty easily, and you can see there's two different sizes. The holes that are different on each end, so make sure as you rotate the bolt, you can see the hole changing a little bit. The cam pin should fit right in. If it doesn't, reverse it to the other side of the hole. Rotate the cam pin 90 degrees, which allows the firing pin to drop straight down into that hole, and most people cup their hand to help guide it in there as it falls. Push it in the rest of the way, and now that's in. Now you just have to put in the firing pin retaining pin. Again, that little needle-shaped head sticks out at the top. Rotate it if it won't quite push in, and it should go right in like that with no force whatsoever. Now you want to see if it'll stand up on its own weight. That's the first test I've learned. The second test is tap it on the table and make sure that the firing pin doesn't fall out. Then you know your retention pin is in correctly. We take the charging handle. You can see the two flared tabs there near the top. It's about 1 inch from the top. I'm pointing at those flared tabs. Those will set in, let's see, right here. You can see right there, about 1 inch into it. There's a spot in that rail that flares to match it, and it slides right in. So keep it just inside. Go ahead and bring your bolt out, rotate it out, and it should rest right into that charging handle. You can see the gas key is the same size. The gas key falls right in there to the charging handle, pushes forward. You hear a snap. When it snaps in place, you know you're done. And there you go. It's that easy. Now, the buffer spring tube, or buffer tube spring, I should say, pushes in fairly easily. It's straightforward, and it'll sit right behind that little piston tab, the little pin that automatically pops out. It's that easy again. And your lower matches the upper seamlessly. You can't miss. And those takedown pins, just push the two takedown pins through. Sometimes it takes a little bit of shimming, but should easily fit. And there is the DDM4. So let's go ahead and pull back the charging handle, fire it. You hear it click and fire. That's normal. Now we'll do it again. Keep holding down the trigger this time, and you can slowly load it up, and you can hear the reset. If you hear that reset click, then you know it's firing correctly. If you don't hear that reset click, you need to take it down and try to reassemble it again to see what you might have missed. Hopefully it'll be apparent. And again, that is the basic takedown and reassembly of an AR-15. That was the Daniel Defense DDM4 PDW.